Guys, what is going on with the stock market? The last 5 weeks, the market's been crazy. A lot of people out of the stock market for good. Guys, we have seen some major retracement in the stock market. And guys, for all those people that follow this channel, we all knew that there could be a time like this when the stock market will retrace. After a long time of massive gains, it was just about time we saw some retracement. Guys, nobody knows what the future holds. Nobody can see the future, but from all the signs that we are getting right now, this seems like we hit the bottom and we're about to start making our way up again. A lot of people that have been shaking off, this is what they call shaking off weekends, guys. It's real. The stock market is real. Those people that were not strong, their positions were weak, they're shaking off the stock market and they'll never return again. And that's the difference between professional investors and people that are trying to experiment with the stock market. The only difference with right now in the day and age of today, speaking of today, information is readily available on the internet. Professional investors are using the same information that you and I are using. The only difference is they've got leverage in terms of withstanding pressure when the stock market is on the downtrend. Whereas small time players, weekends, they sell off their position at the loss. And guys, that is the worst thing that you can do, selling off your stock at a loss. And remember guys, you have not made a loss till you sell your position. You can hold on forever. As soon as you sell that position that you own, that's when you need to determine whether it's a profit or loss. And guys, historically, stocks have gone up. The longer you just hold right through the wave of the retracement, you will soon see that that stock will go up eventually. So today guys, we're going to talk about the strategies that we're going to use investing in this hostile environment, in this volatile environment. What are we going to do in this environment? We are going to discuss 3 things that we should be doing. Strategy number 1 that we should be asking ourselves: should we be buying or selling in this hostile, volatile environment? That is a question that we should be asking yourself. Stocks right now are on sale, guys. We're using the Warren Buffett strategy. It sits on a pile of cash for a long time, waiting for a dip like this. When it sees an opportunity like this, it buys stocks at a really good discount. This is a lifetime opportunity where stocks are bought at record low levels. We won't see this opportunity, who knows when, again, where we'll see a 50-20% retracement on some of our stocks. So guys, on this channel, we are thinking about stocks as being on a special discount, and we are doubling up, loading up on this rare moment. We are loading up stocks as much as we can. For most Americans, stimulus have just hit our pocket. Use some of that money to invest in this rare discounted opportunity, especially for the growth stocks that have been really hit hard. This is a good time, opportunity to gain massive load up. We will never see these record levels ever again. We will never see NEO at $45 again. Trust me guys, we'll never see these prices. NEO at its all-time high, it's $60. Today it's trading at $45. Rare opportunity for us to double up and load up on these shares. And so that is strategy number 1, deciding whether we'll be buying or selling. And now that we have decided that we'll be buying, we're moving to strategy number 2. And guys, if you're enjoying the content that this channel is bringing, give this channel a like, and let's continue right now without wasting much of your time. Let's go. Now that we have decided we are buying stocks, we are going to load up in this environment. What industry are we going to be buying our stocks? For this channel, we've decided to load up in growth stocks. Growth stocks, as we know, we understand they're high risk, high return. A lot of people, they focus on the return and they forget about the high risk, as they have experienced it right now. The higher the risk, the higher return. That just means that market is doing well. Growth stocks will outperform the Dow Jones. We want to get on these growth stocks right now when the prices are low, so that when the economy as in general start doing well, we are well positioned, and that's the time we'll be selling. And so that was strategy number 2, identifying the industry that we are going to invest in, and we identified growth stocks are the best pick for our interest because there is a big bang for our buck. Moving on to strategy number 3. Now that you have identified that you are going to invest in growth stocks, there are just too many stocks out there. Which growth stocks are you going to invest in? Well, you can narrow it down with their market cap. So let us look at 2 stocks that we love, NIO and Tesla. Wow, what a tough choice to make. Which stocks are we going to be investing in? Well, that's a question that most investors struggle with, and we're going to answer this question very quickly without wasting much of your time. The answer lies within your risk tolerance. Let's go back to market cap. NIO has got a smaller market cap compared to Tesla. That just means if you look at NIO with a market cap of $70 billion, for the price to double, for the price to move from $45 to $90, the market cap should be at 140. Double the market cap, double the price. Simple as that. Now let's look at Tesla, same thing. Price trading at 700, market cap 700 billion. For the price to double, we need another $700 billion injected in Tesla. Now guys, that is a lot of dough, guys. Which stock is likely to double with relative ease? Tesla or NIO? Obviously your answer is going to be NIO because it's only going to take $70 billion for the price to double. $70 billion injected in NIO stock will double that price. Where at Tesla with a market cap of 700 billion, it will take $700 billion for the price to double. Now guys, I'll get a lot of hate for this one because there are people that just love Tesla and they will invest no matter what. But guys, on this channel, we want to look at the market cap and invest intelligently. Another stock that I just want to throw in because we're talking about this market cap thing is another great stock that people love and myself love. I use their products. Apple, guys, phenomenal product, and I've invested before, I've traded it and sold, and right now I'm not having any position in Apple, but it's still a great company. But the market cap, and the reason that I sold is basically on the point that I'm making right now. The market cap is $2 trillion. Now guys, the whole United States made a stimulus $1.9 trillion, almost $2 trillion. Now, Apple market cap is worth $2 trillion. That'll mean it'll take the whole stimulus for the price to double. So if you're looking at Apple and saying to yourself and looking at this, oh, Apple is a great company, it's only 124. Well, because it's a great company, it will likely double. Chances are they are not going to double because you're not going to see 2 trillion injected in any way or fashion tomorrow. 2 trillion is a ton of money, guys. It's a ton of money. Even though it's a great company, this company, I see it doubling maybe in the next 5 to 10 years, doubling up to 240. As of now, Apple trading at 124. The chances of it doubling it are not just there statistically, and that's why when we're making these moves, we're making intelligent moves, and that's why you are subscribed to this channel so that we can share ideas on how you're making those moves. And so guys, we had a great talk today. We talked about 3 strategies that we should be investing in this market. 1, we identified whether we should be selling or buying in this market. We decided we'll be buying and loading up, taking advantage of these low prices. From there, we also moved to strategy number 2, deciding on the industry that we will be investing in, and we decided on, at least on this channel, we decided we'll be investing in growth stocks because that's where we're gonna see a bigger bang for our buck. And moving on to strategy number 3, we decided to decipher among all these other stocks that are in growth stocks, which one we're going to pick from the thousands of stocks out there, which stocks is going to suit our risk tolerance. And we decided to look at market cap because market cap will give us an indication whether the price is likely to double in the near future or not. And we saw that statistically looking at the numbers, a huge market cap takes a huge infusion of cash to be invested in that stocks and reducing the chances of that stock to double up. Guys, if you like or getting value for this channel, give this channel a like and also subscribe. You can also share with family and friends so that we can continue this conversation. Thank you guys for sticking around and having this money talk. Cheers, guys.